All right, a couple of new things launched on Ulta's website, and I picked it up because I had a coupon. So today I'm going to talk about a couple things, but I'm going to do it all in separate videos. First up, because I have my foundation on, I got the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Bronzer slash Contour. I got shade 4, which is light medium. The shades kind of before that were definitely going to be too light for me, so we're just going to try this on. This formula tends to be extremely pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. This is, like I said, shade 4. I'm gonna just open it. This is kind of like a cool color. This is gonna be more of like maybe a contour versus a bronzer for me. I wasn't too crazy about the other shades that I saw. It felt like they were kind of like just very orangey. See what I mean by pigmented? That has such a serious like spread. But this one's gonna be, I don't know, it's kind of like in the middle. Might be a bronzer, might be a contour. We're gonna find out right now. I'm just gonna take my brush, I'm gonna pick it up. I always work on the back of my hands. I see people dotting this on their face. I do not recommend that because, like I said, this formula tends to be extremely pigmented, and it's always easier to apply a little bit and build the color up versus just going in and now you're stuck doing your makeup all over again. So I'm just kind of taking that onto my cheekbone, like just under my cheekbone, like this area. All right, so this color is kind of more of a contour. I thought it was gonna lean a little bit warmer. It's not bad, not bad. It does dry quick. Whatever I put on my hand that I swatched dried super quick, so I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more there. I'm gonna take my finger, kind of spread it out, and dip my brush in immediately. Let's see. All right, so if you're about my skin tone, shade 4 light medium is perfect for, I guess, more of a contour. Like I said, well, now that I'm looking at it, from what I'm seeing in the viewfinder, it looks cooler. What I'm seeing in person, it is slightly in the middle. Let's see, let's go down the sides of my nose and see. I always feel like that's a good place to tell if it's gonna be cool or if it's gonna be warm. It's definitely cool. Okay, it's really nice. Let's go on the temples a little bit. It's nice. It dries down really nice. It's not like a dewy finish or anything like that, but you can see that there's a nice shadiness to it. So definitely more of a contour. I do like it. It doesn't look like it messed with my foundation at all. So it works good. Again, with any product, not just this, I never recommend getting it and dotting it on your face and then blending it. This is very pigmented and it sets pretty quick. That's just a disaster waiting to happen. Just work off the back of your hand, work off of a palette, and you're good to go. This is good. I like it. It's really nice. Like I said, I see some shading there. So, all right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below.